nonprofit, any sort of donation, whether it be time or monetary, helps us greatly.
Donations from the community provide the means to fill in the gaps where other funding might not cover it.
That's everything that we need for us to do our job. If we didn't have any test kits to test for HIV, then we couldn't do our jobs.
Services that include free HIV and STD testing. We also educate the community on HIV and other sexually transmitted diseases.
That really gets to the heart of the continuum of care that's needed to really see the end of HIV.
We are changing the lives of people with HIV/AIDS, and we're making a difference.
It's very important to give back, and this is the perfect time to do it.